Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and we are doing a Truckin' Tuesday with some M2 machines, trucks I've picked up over the past couple of days and such. I forgot our Mopar Monday yesterday. I got a little bit tied up with some stuff I'm doing around here. I've been having some issues with my back. I still may end up at the hospital tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. So, anyways, just doing videos when I can. But anyways, picked up some really cool M2 machines, and one of them we did the unboxing on Saturday because my buddy on IG, Paul Lutz, sent me one. And what was strange is, if you guys watched that video and you remember me telling you, I found one at my Walmart and it was the Chase. And ironically, I did not want the Chase. Of all things, like most people would want the Chase, I didn't want it, but I took it and I sold it and then bought a regular one and still had a couple bucks left over. Thankfully to Paul, I was able to get the regular one. And then yesterday, when I went to Walmart, they had 4 cases of these auto trucks, the new ones. So I got 2, 4 of these bad boys, and I'm selling 2 of them at $12 a piece if anybody wants them. And then I'm keeping another 2. I have the one that Paul sent me, and I'm keeping 2 more. They look cool in front of the Mr. Norm's dealership. I actually opened all of them and had them lined up in front of the dealership, and I have a caption of 1974 Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge. The pic is on IG. I thought it was really cool because in the mid 70s is when he started getting out of the high performance stuff, going into custom vans. Probably would have been better with that tradesman van from RLC, but seeing all the W200 power wagons in front of the dealership also looked pretty cool. So have some of those available. I'm not going to take these out of the box because we did a detailed video on Saturday. So if you want to see it in detail, just check in the library of videos. You'll find it. Now, these other ones that I picked up, ironically, there were only 2 of each of these. So whoever hit my Walmart doesn't really care for the Dodge. They care for the Chevys, though. So I picked up the 2 last gray ones that they had. And we're going to take these guys, well, one of them out of the box. And not off the stand, but take a look at him. This one has the hood open and the paint is nice. This one has a paint flaw on the side of the bed, and I don't really see too many paint flaws on M2 vehicles, at least myself personally, but this one does have a run on the side of the bed right there, if you can see it. And we're going to take this one out of the box and take a better look at them. As I said, these Chevys will be $10 each, and then the Dodges will be 12 each, because honestly, I don't care if I sell the Dodges or not. So I'll just keep them and put them with the other stuff. But anyways, let's take this guy out that has the flaw in the paint, because as I said, this doesn't happen very often. And what I'm doing here, I'm just pilling up the very edge with my fingernail, and then you can just pill it, and it does not hurt the gloss paper, as I pointed out before. And if you just keep pulling, it'll pull the tab right out and you don't tear anything or nothing at all. The only thing that happens if you re-seal it, which I will re-seal these, it will have frayed edges a little bit on the one side where you pick it with your nail. And even if you use a razor blade to kind of lift the edge, it still will have like a little lifting to that little edge where you ran the razor blade. But anyways, the box of this one is pretty cool. It says square body truck on this one. That's cool. Sierra Classic 15 GMC. The box is gray like the truck, which is pretty sweet. And then this has the display platform that's easier to get the crystal off, in my opinion. Some of them, the original ones, have a thicker base and they just go down, and sometimes they're hard to get off. So let's take this off and take a look at this truck. Pretty sweet truck. I like the dark gray. Has a little metallic in it, it looks like. Kind of like a matte finish in a way. Like a matte dark gray metallic, I would call it. Looks pretty cool. The roll bar looks to be painted silver and it's not chrome. Has a really wide tub, so those bars taper in. That's the one thing I don't care for with the M2 trucks, the 4x4s, because they used to drop the beds with the big fat tubs, which is okay from the side shot. I don't mind it, but it kills it when looking at it from the top for a 4x4. And it also eliminates the option of having an opening tailgate. So you can see nice detail on the tailgate here. Red acrylic taillight lenses. Nice chrome bumper with even the bumper bolts you can see. Pretty cool. And such. Just looking at the other side of the bed, and it does look like there are a little bit of paint bubbles here, but not really that bad. So it looks like they did have some issue with the paint on the bed of this one. Not too bad though. I mean, looking at it, there's no chips, and the bubbling, it's more like waviness, almost like orange pill, but a little more extreme than orange pill. So just to be honest, if somebody does buy this, I want to be totally transparent with them. So this one, because of the paint issue, I take $8 for this one, $10 for the other one that shows no issue. And then this one with a couple of little minor issues, $8 plus shipping. Has a nice chrome brush guard in the front with the GMC grill. Hood opens with a nice detailed small block Chevy, it looks like. Snorkel air cleaner, pretty cool. And the hood opens and closes pretty nicely on this guy. It's unfortunate about the bed, but it's not that noticeable. So it would be cool in like a diorama, like off-road thing, if you're gonna maybe make it a little dirty or maybe weathered in some way. Now, next is the OBS truck. And this is pretty cool. It's 1990 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado. I kind of like the paint job, but I'm not sure how I feel about the front of it, with like half a bow tie. It's kind of strange, but in a way it's kind of cool too. Definitely dig the wheels on it. Love the stance and love the fact that the mirrors are molded into it. And I do like the purple and I do like the gray interior on this one. Like the roll pan on the back. That is pretty cool. The color matched front bumper is pretty sweet. And we'll take one of these out of the box and take the crystal acrylic, whatever you want to call it, off the top to take a better look at the truck. And once again, just pulling that edge up, and if you pull, pulls it right open for you. And we have the truck where we can see it better. So this looks like it has metallic in it too. A little bit in the bed, but on the roof it doesn't look like it's too much metallic. Actually, looks like it has a little orange pill. Nothing major though. But it does look like it's like light metallic. High gloss on the bed, but not much gloss on the cab. That may be because the cab part, not sure what would be a tampo, if it's the white or the purple. Almost guessing it would be the purple because it looks duller than the bed. The bed looks to be high gloss, a lot of metal flake, whereas the cab purple looks to be a little bit duller with less metal flake. But once again, I really dig these wheels. They are really cool. And then, let's see, opening hood. And let's see what kind of engine we got in here. Looks like maybe an LS series. Maybe. No. It looks like a round air cleaner. So it would have the throttle body injection. But once again, love the fact that they put the mirrors on this truck. That's the one thing that even Hot Wheels lacked on with their OBS. But yeah, overall the truck is pretty sweet. Detailed acrylic taillight lenses. with your backup lens in the bottom part. Trying to get it to focus. Sorry, guys. There we go. A little bit. So that looks really good. And the smoothed over bed tailgate. You see the handle. The roll pan's pretty cool. No plate. No plate on the gray one either. So really fantastic looking truck. Like the grill. It's like one of the billet specialties grills where the bar is like color matched to the truck, and then you'd hit the billet insert. So pretty cool little truck. As I said, not sure how I feel about the white front. I think I would have liked it more all metallic purple or all white. That may have been cool. But overall, not a bad looking truck. So that's it for our Truckin' Tuesday, guys. And we'll stack the 3 that were here for you to see today. The Dodge, like I said, if you want to see a full unboxing on it, check out our video from over the weekend. And then these other 2 are available on eBay, or you can message me direct on IG or comment here if you're interested in one. And as I said, this gray one with the flawed paint on the bed, it's not that bad. But as you can see, a little run there, and it does have, I don't know, more of like orange pill here than bubbles. It's not really bubbles, sort of paint's a little thick maybe. But anyways, that one I'll take $8 for. And the Power Wagons, asking 12 on them, because as I said, I would just soon keep them. So anyways, guys, that's it for our Truckin' Tuesday, and then we will be back again sometime this week, at least by Friday for our Free It Friday. Not sure if I can make it back on Wednesday or Thursday with something, but definitely see you guys on Friday. So hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon.